Hello my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe. Today I'm making crispy onion rings. So to make onion rings we need 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 large onion, half cup flour, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon black pepper and 2 tablespoons corn flour. So let's get started. So first cut the onion like this. So it's almost done. In our flour we add salt, red chili powder, black pepper and corn flour. Now mix it well. Now we add water. Keep pouring water until its texture becomes smooth. Okay, it's done. Now take an onion ring and dip it in the mixture of flour and then in breadcrumbs. Now make all onion rings like this. So the rings are ready, it's time to fry it. First of all, heat up the oil and then fry onion rings on medium-low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip it